Welcome back to Doug's Basement Workshop. We are in the Big Red Barn today. We are doing another Glowforge video. We're going to do out a couple at one time. So yes, I'm wearing the same outfit. I do have more clothing. You should be impressed. My shirt is green today and not blue. The blue shirts that I had a billion of are finally wearing out. So we're going to have to do something besides the blue shirt in every single video. So here's one of the things that I bought for the Glowforge design. They're little trays. They're not glued together yet, so you'll see me holding them kind of funny. And they're built to have a slight outward bowed angle, so they stack together. This is a free design off of Thingiverse. I'm not selling this. I'm using this to sort pieces and parts into as they come off the Glowforge. Because I'm doing some small stuff that I could never do before, I need something to sort stuff into. And this is a great little design, free on Thingiverse. There's 3 or 4 different designs. There are some bigger ones, some smaller ones. But this is great for my keychains coming off the Glowforge, getting sorted. Great for my stitch markers. A lot of my small items are getting sorted into these. A great little design. Guys, you've got to go check out Thingiverse if you've got a Glowforge. So here's a quick video of the Glowforge cutting and me trying to assemble it. Please keep in mind that these do not come with directions. So if you find this one, and I'll try to drop the name of the file that I bought. It's free on Thingiverse. And you can tip the artist. And I might go back and tip this person because I love this design. I am learning what type of joinery that I like with my Glowforge. This has little tabs that go, here we go, I'm going to disassemble it. Little tabs that go in and slide down, and then tabs that go into the bottom. I kind of like that for assembly. I would love this if it was something I was disassembling and putting away. But for something I'm going to put together permanently and have forever in this shape, I'm going to end up gluing it. And the slide tabs, while they're nice, I'm going to glue it all together. So other than the aesthetic quality of it, it's really more of just an aesthetic quality. But if you're going to break it down and put it back together, those slide together locking tabs are really nice for the breakdown projects. So I like it. There you go, guys. A little bit of shop organization and organizing the sorting stuff as it comes off the laser. So here's how it was made and assembled. And guys, if you could do me a favor, hit the like button. It helps me show up in the YouTube algorithms. And if you wouldn't mind subscribing to my channel, we'll be doing more Glowforge. And we're still going to be doing a lot of the CNC projects you guys have enjoyed in the past. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good day.